Arrive in style with this 2017 Ram 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include first and second row curtain head airbags, 2 USB ports, 4-door, 4-wheel ABS brakes, ABS and driveline traction control, audio system memory card slot, automatic locking hubs, auxiliary engine cooler, auxiliary transmission cooler and braking assist. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.